Hello students, welcome to Aspire Academy. Today we are going to start a new chapter of class 10. So before going to the chapter, you can see here an image of Qutub Minar. Okay, suppose a man is standing here. Suppose this is the man. Okay, this man is thinking to measure the height of the Qutub Minar. Okay, so what he will do, he will imagine a triangle here. Okay, he will imagine a triangle here. So what is this triangle? This is a right angle triangle, right? And using this triangle, he can measure the height of the Qutub Minar, as well as he can also measure the distance between the Qutub Minar and with respect to him. Okay, this portion he can measure, and also this portion also he can measure. Okay, so the chapter in which all these things we will get, this chapter is called trigonometry, right? So let us go to the chapter. So chapter 8, introduction to the trigonometry, and today's topic is introduction and trigonometric ratios. Okay, so first of all, here this man is the founder of trigonometry. Okay, this man is the founder of trigonometry, and here the trigonometry word is derived from the Greek word tri. The meaning of tri is 3. Then gon, the meaning of gon is size, and metron, the meaning is measure. Okay, that means tri means what? Tri means 3. Then gon means size, and metron is what? Metron is measure. So the measure of 3 sides, okay, the measure of 3 sides of a what? Of a triangle is called what? Is called trigonometry. Okay, and what is the type of triangle here? The type of triangle will be right angle triangle. Okay, right angled triangle. So trigonometry concludes that relationship between 3 sides, okay, measure of 3 sides of a right angle triangle with respect to what? With respect to angles. Okay, so now we are going to start the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so there are 6 types of trigonometric ratios. 6 trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. Here you can see a right angle triangle is there. Suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, and the angle B is 90-degree angle, and suppose this angle A is the trigonometric angle. Angle A is the trigonometric angle. Okay, so now with respect to this angle, we have to with respect to this trigonometric angle, we can say that this BC will be the perpendicular and AB will be the base, and with respect to this right angle, this means B angle, AC will be what? AC will be hypotenuse. Okay, that means the side which is opposite to the trigonometric angle is called what? Is called the perpendicular. Okay, the side which is opposite to the right angle is called what? Is called hypotenuse, and the adjacent side of the trigonometric angle is called base. Okay, so now we will get 6 ratios. Okay, so first ratio is sine. First of all, we will write the ratio sine. Okay, after that we have to write the trigonometric angle. What is trigonometric angle here? A. Okay, then we will get a ratio that is p by, means perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, means sine A equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. And here in this triangle perpendicular is BC. So this is BC and hypotenuse is AC, right? After that cos A. So cos is B by H. B by H means base by hypotenuse. Okay, so here base is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Then tan A. Tan is P by B. So perpendicular is BC and base is AB. Okay, now these are the three ratios, and the other three ratios are, first is cosec A. Cosec A. Cosec A. So cosec is the reciprocal of sine. Okay, so we can write directly 1 by sine A. So equal to, if sine A equal to P by H, then cosec A will be H by P. Okay, and H by P equal to what? That means AC by BC. AC by BC. Okay, next sec A, that is 1 by cos A, because sec is the reciprocal of cos. Okay, so we can write sec A equal to 1 by cos A equal to H by B. H by B equal to AC by AB, and last cot A. Okay, so cot is the reciprocal of tan, right? So we can write B by P, so equal to AB by BC. So these are the 6 ratios. Okay, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot, and the angle is here. We can we have considered here angle A as a trigonometric angle, so we have to write here the A as a trigonometric angle. If we select angle C as a trigonometric angle, then we have to write C. Okay, but one more thing you have to remember, that the right angle cannot be the trigonometric angle. Okay, always remember, right angle cannot be the trigonometric angle. Okay, now suppose we have to remember this trigonometric ratios. Okay, so what we can do, we can write first here sine. Okay, sine, then cos, and then tan. Okay, sine means what? P by H, so we can write here P H. Then cos, cos is B by H, so we can write B H, and tan is P by B. Okay, now if you know sine, okay, if you know the ratio of sine, then we can directly know the ratio of cosec, because cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So if sine theta or sine angle, sine theta is P by H, then cosec theta will be what? H by P. Okay, and if cos theta is B by H, then sec theta will be what? H by B. And if tan theta equal to P by B, then cot theta will be B by P. Okay, so we can remember these ratios like this. Okay, so okay, now one more thing, that the value of trigonometric ratio of an angle do not vary with the length of the sides of the triangle. Okay, if the angle remains the same. The meaning of this line is, suppose this is a triangle A, B and C, right? And what I will do, suppose I will increase this line, okay, suppose I increase this line and I will increase this line also to this. Now suppose this is D, this is E. Now this new triangle will be ADE, okay. There are two triangles are there, ABC is there and AED is there, okay. And in both the triangles what we have done, we have increased the side AC to AD and AB to AE, and also the BC will be also increased to DE, right? So now here it is written that the value of the trigonometric ratios of an angle, suppose this is the angle, okay, this is the trigonometric angle, okay, do not vary with the lengths of the sides, okay. That means if we increase the side if we increase all the sides of the triangle but this angle is constant, okay, then all the trigonometric ratios, suppose we are writing sine A means what? P by H. So for first triangle, for first ABC triangle, sine will be what? Sine A will be BC by AC, right? And for the second triangle, P by H will be DE by AD, DE by AE, okay. But the thing is, sorry, DE by AD will be there, okay, DE by AD, okay. So according to this line, okay, this ratio BC by AC and DE by AD will be what? Will be same. Will be same. Why? Because here the ratio of the trigonometric angle is constant, okay. So if we increase the lengths of the sides, okay, by keeping this trigonometric angle as a constant, then the ratio will not change, the ratio will keep constant, right? So this is the meaning of this line, okay.